Methodist Church in the heart of Houston, Texas. I want to congratulate A9 for their endeavor to start this new TV station. I'm proud of what you're doing and wish the very best for A9. As for me, I want to say that as a Christian, I'm proud to know that I have some very good Muslim friends, and I greet these who have come to visit us here in America, because we are not only that, but we have principles of life as brothers and sisters working together to within. And we begin that journey by loving one another. So we say to all Christians and to all Muslims, let's love together, let's reach out together and make a new world. I have been around a long time there to see, and the end of time is time to repent, God, and to know He is with us. It's depending on a new world. I want to be with you and with Christians around the world. We are going to make a difference together. Let's work together and make it happen.